In this video, I'll show you how to invite a trusted contact in OneDrive step by step so you can set up digital legacy and make it possible for someone you trust to request access to your files in the future. This is a simple but important feature if you want to plan ahead and keep your cloud files organized for the right person. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open OneDrive in your web browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click the Settings gear icon. From the menu that appears, click Settings again to open your OneDrive settings page. This is where Microsoft keeps several account and storage options, including the feature we need for this tutorial. Now, inside Settings, look for Digital Legacy and open it. Digital Legacy is the section that lets you prepare for future file access by adding someone you trust. This is especially useful if you want a trusted contact to be able to request access later through Microsoft's system. Once you're on the Digital Legacy page, you'll see the option to invite a trusted contact. Click Invite Trusted Contact. A prompt will appear asking for the person's email address. Type in the email address of the person you want to invite carefully and double-check that it's correct before moving on. This step matters because the invitation will go to that exact email and you want to make sure the right person receives it. After entering the email address, click Send Invitation. OneDrive will then send the invite to your trusted contact. At that point, all you need to do is wait for the person to accept the invitation. Once they accept, they'll be set up as a trusted contact for your OneDrive Digital Legacy settings. And that's it. You've successfully invited a trusted contact in OneDrive. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference when it comes to planning for the future and making sure your files can be handled properly later on. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.